Now we will discuss developer paths on AWS. Focus on developer productivity with enterprise control and security. In this section, we will discuss introduction of Amazon Web Services for PaaS, Amazon Web Services components like IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, AWS integration and management, AWS billing, and AWS scalability, AWS application architecture, and summary and conclusion. What is Amazon SimpleDB? SimpleDB is available for more structured data. It does not support schema but instead defines domains with items that consist of up to 256 attribute values. A value can be up to 1 KB. STP supports simple operators such as equal sign, not equal, angular bracket signs, less than equal to sign, greater than equal to sign, starts with and or not, intersection and union. STP is a distributed, highly scalable, lightweight, queryable attribute store new style of DB for cloud. It provides consistency, availability, and network partitioning. CloudDB needs to sacrifice traditional DB consistency properties, client side, server side, and eventual. This is Amazon SimpleDB, which provides availability, data consistency, and network partitioning. But Amazon SimpleDB stands here where it provides availability and network partitioning. This is SimpleDB model. These are the Oracle and DB2 type databases. What developer wants? Developer wants to store data, process data, and query data. These are the three basic operations. Those are performed by developer to test, design, and code their applications. But they probably don't want to schema management, index management, performance tuning, data access, scaling, because all these are the roles of database administrator. All data is replicated in geographically dispersed data centers. No explicit backup is required. Request use HTTPS security, and there is complex join applications are not a good match for SimpleDB. What is the architecture of Amazon SimpleDB? Here is a simple database table where we have the table name is domain and records are items and values are attributes. Attributes are name, value pair, multiple values per name can exist. Items consist of multiple attributes, can have different set of attributes for each item in domain. Domain is actually elastic table structure. No schema is required. It has ability to improve your data model dynamically as needed. Basis makes SimpleDB a perfect match for agile development. It is flexible dynamic schema data model. Put attributes Joy hair red. This is the Amazon SimpleDB, like put attributes Sarah age 13. This is how we can apply filtering on Amazon SimpleDB. If we want to select Sarah with age 13, we can use this query to insert this record here. Put item 123 description sweater color blue color red. This is how we can insert values in domain. And next is put item 456 description dress shirt color white color blue. To query, we need to apply query like this. Domain is equal to my store, description is sweater. Amazon Simple Query Service. It is scalable queuing, elastic capacity. It is reliable and simple, secure. Inter-process messaging, data buffering, architecture components are available. It costs 0.10 per 1000 messages and it costs 0.10 to 0.18 per GB data transfer. Let's have an overview of Amazon Simple Queue services. It is a distributed queue in the cloud. It is used for storing messages, traveling between computers. It is reliable. It runs within Amazon's high availability data centers. Messages are stored redundantly across multiple servers and locations. It's scalable to millions of messages a day. Simply only 6 methods and platform is agnostic, provide access control and message blocking. These are the Amazon SQS concept, simple queue service. Queues are named message containers and they are persistent, where messages should be up to 256 KB of data per message. And it has peak lock access model, scalable, unlimited number of queues per account can exist and unlimited number of messages per queue can exist. This is Amazon SQS concept model where we have a client which is producing messages and those messages are queued and then messages compute consumer use files and they are going from and through to storage. This is Amazon Simple Queue Service and application architecture designed to scale using AWS Elastic features. This is web user interface which is connected with CMS control and GV uploader. Ingest S3 storage is directly connected with it and this is HTTP redirector which is connected with MP3 request and here is external hosting, queue assembly, transcoding database and blogs. This is the architecture of design to scale using AWS Elastic features. Amazon SOAP Query API. It provides list queues, delete queues, set visibility timeout, get visibility timeout, and it also provides send message, receive message, delete message, and peak message. And also provides security. We can add grant, list grant, and remove grant of permissions. Next is Amazon Simple Notification Service, SNS. Simple Notification Service provides publish, subscribe messaging functionality. SNS is a distributed and redundant service that enables application, end user, and devices to send and receive notification from the cloud. The service works on specified topics which are universal resource identifiers that specify communication channels based on content or event types. Any web server, email address, or SQS queue can subscribe to notification messages associated with a particular topic. Authorized publisher can post messages to the channel and they will automatically be delivered to all subscribers. Next is Amazon CloudFront. CloudFront is a web service for content delivery, both static and streaming content. Requests for objects are automatically routed to the nearest edge location. CloudFront is optimized to work with other Amazon services like S3, EC2, but also it works with servers hosted by other providers. CloudFront objects are organized into distributions. A distribution specified the locations of the original version, unique domain name that is abc123.cloudfront.net, or map a proprietary domain like images.example.com. Distribution can either download definitive content from the origin server like HTTP, HTTPS, or stream the content using RTMP protocol.